Technology continues to evolve, take people into the future. We are constantly striving, breaking through boundaries, through innovation and change. Take you back to nature. Elect today. Keeping up with the pace of the times. Focus on food and household appliances, inspired by temperature and sunlight. Using technology to make food more vibrant. Food generates more energy due to Elite. When more people are still watching, Elite is already one step ahead of others. 17 years of accumulation and gradual development. United National Top 100 Enterprises. Create 10 home appliances. Deep comprehensive empowering service demonstration base. Let the people enjoy a better life. Contribute to the high-quality development of the home appliance industry. The Belt and Road Initiative. Let the product come from. Climbing towards the world. At the same time as building brand dreams with Elite and Jones, we have a clear corporate positioning and social responsibility. Don't forget the original intention. Be grateful. Actively promote public welfare undertakings. Take on social responsibility. Enriching Elite's national connotation with actions. Creating a better future together. Elite has a research and development team of 210 people, focused on independent research and development, continuously challenging the forefront of technological boundaries. With multiple brand customers, collaborate to build an industry-leading research and development center. Create Chinese's own high-end household appliances for food and maintenance. It is precisely the relentless pursuit of innovation, driving Elite forward. Elite continues to explore application areas, empowering the future of the food and nutrition industry, full of infinite possibilities. Every decision made by Elite is up to you. Explore progress. Using the power of technology, optimize the production process. Each set of equipment, all for resource efficiency, maximize service. On the road to becoming a global brand, more than 3,000 Elite people are working on every product that you can't see. Work hard on the details. Every product, they are all the crystallization of technology. Every automated production line. Everything is simplified. Filled with the strength and confidence of the enterprise. From breaking down key technical barriers to promote the industrialization of key technologies, we contribute to driving the industry forward. Elite uses digital office technology, digital workshop, construct an intelligent system, digital integration, digital factory, empowering enterprises, showcasing the advantages of intelligent technology. The power of wisdom erupts here. We will remember more. Jinshan Green Water is Jinshan Silver Merchant. To enrich power generation and energy storage systems, let Elite have a green factory. Developing towards a green supply chain. Elite also introduced wastewater at the application level of aircraft carrier manufacturing. Purification system. Protect the ecological environment around the manufacturing base. Promote urban green development. We work closely together on many fronts. Look inward. Elite and partners in the industry chain jointly launch the strategic concept of empowering service providers. The outward network is a food and nutrition appliance within reach. Elite, use advanced technology to change the temperature of life. Elite, not being a follower, just be a leader. Develop and improve from multiple aspects. Strive to grow into a new type of supplier that empowers services through deep integration. Innovative business from point to surface. Internet of Things, Elite. Bring joy and smiles, dedicated to every family. Bring benefits and security to every partner. Green mountains and green waters. Leave it to the next era. We will have love. Have temperature, high quality development. Bear in mind.